today, man, we back at it, man. I know I've been kind of slacking a little bit. Well, I've been slacking a lot of bit, but I hadn't done this since the end of the pregnancy, beginning of the birth of my daughter, man. So it's been a minute since I've been in the field, but we back, man. We back out here on the DoorDash, man. Back out here DoorDash. We're about to see, man, what's to it, man. What have I been missing? How much money I've been missing? I got my hot light on, and about to go see. Riding past Collierville Dodge right now. I ought to go back there and see if they got old Dooley back there for me, but soon come. I don't see one. Soon come, man. Have me old Dooley in my possession. That way I can be doing something else, man. Shout out to my dog, Memphis Black, man. Yeah, I rode up on him yesterday. He was in the little gas save, and he was like, "Yeah, man, I only put gas in this junk once a week, man. I'm going to work and everything." Kind of gave me an idea, which I don't. Nah, I put gas. If I drive like that, I put gas in more than once a week. But if I go to work and just back home like every day, then I ain't gotta put gas in but once a week. And if I go, as close as my job is, if I go to work and just come home every day in this car, I probably could go a week and a half without putting gas in her. But yeah, that's besides the point. Back in Collierville, man, trying to get us a couple dollars, man. Got my hot light on, turn my light on. I don't really see nothing popping out here. Chick-fil-A usually be popping, but my screen is blank. Oh, I need to go back the other way. Just filled up. And yeah, I ain't doing nothing right now. Not over here. I know where it's popping at though, and I know I should have went that way to begin with, but I didn't. Oh, we got a McDonald's. We got a McDonald's, man. Go back and get that. I gotta go back and get that. So, yeah, man. I'm about to, I got my volume turned down, too. Y'all was supposed to hear that jump when it did what it did, but y'all didn't, because I got the volume low. But, yeah, man, I'm about to go pick up this order right fast, and, get these people their food, man. Get these people their breakfast. These people their breakfast. I don't really forget how it worked, really. Yeah. Pretty sure they ain't gonna remember my face. But yeah, man. About to dash today, man. Hopefully I give me some good DoorDash sightings for y'all, man. Y'all know I had the DoorDash sighting segment going. The old school cars, man, or not even just old school, just anything interesting, man. So I was doing that, and yeah, hopefully I'll see something, man, so I can get y'all that footage. But until then, man, let me go pick this load up, man. Be productive today. I'll hit y'all in a second, man. Yo, here we back, man. Boy, doing some dashing. I'm up a little bit, man. I ain't been out here long. I'm up a little bit. I seen a DoorDash sighting, man, and I couldn't get it though, cause he was in traffic. And I just seen another one, but I can't really put it on my phone because I might probably have to do it from the camera. But I don't like to be out in people's yard and stuff, man. But I don't even know what this car is. I can't even tell you. But I'm finna come up on it in a second. It's kind of hid behind a bush coming from this way, so. Where is it? I'm on the right street. Yeah, I'm on the right street. I think, did I pass it? Nah, it's right there, I see it. Yeah. Let y'all see it. I wish I could zoom in, but I can't. But, look at that. It's a cool little car, right? I can see it. I tried, y'all. But, yeah. DoorDash sightings, man. It'd be fun to be out here, man, and seeing like all these people cars and stuff, man. Like they be looking at my car, like this dude right here. Like, look at him, look at him. Like he looking at my car. The dude I just delivered to was like, man, I love that Firebird. I appreciate it. But like I be looking at their cars, like, man, y'all got some cars out here. Well, like y'all know I'm on the other side of town. Like I don't do hood door dashes. Like I'm in the suburbs type. Like I'm out here, and they paying good and they tipping good. But yeah, that's where I be, man. Like when I be door dashing, I be looking for the cars. Hey, I'm gonna ride past this dude's house, man. I wonder if he got his cars outside today. He got a split bumper Camaro. He got a 40 something, and he got an old truck. And they just be sitting out in the driveway sometimes. Let me see. I think this is his house right here. Nah, that ain't it. Let me see, y'all. Let me see. Did I go down far enough? Might not have went down far enough. Cause this house, I think it's up here. But this dude, he got cars, man. Like, he got a nice little collection to be sitting outside. Only in the daytime though. Like, I don't see him. Like, I'll be out here at night, I don't see him outside, which makes perfect sense. Got a nice ass house too. He's sitting outside today. Nah, I ain't got him outside today. Got an OBS out there. Boy, got a super big house though. But yeah, so I gave y'all that DoorDash site, man. Let me get back to work, see what else I can find. Man, hold on. Well, I done made it back to the crib, man. Didn't see nothing too interesting. I got me another. What's up? Got me another. They sent me another book. I wanted just the updated one with more stuff in it. What up, dude? Where your pants at? Captain Underpants? I see your drawers. All you got on drawers and a coat. What's this? Auto loans. I don't want nothing to do with no auto loans. Cash me out, please. But yeah, man. Like I said, we back at the house. We ain't doing nothing. I'm gonna chill on out for the rest of the day. Probably get out here and watch these cars or something. smoke me a cigar too, I guess. Or might smoke me a cigar, not a two. Might smoke me a cigar, I guess, and it's gonna be that. So, yeah. It's your dog, man. Big Belo. Mr. Ain't the Man himself. I'll catch y'all in the next one.